Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to replace or upgrade the charging cable for your Sony headphones, or just need a versatile USB-C cable, stick around. Today we're looking at the WindSwallow USB-C charging cable. First off, if you find this review helpful, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. It really supports the channel. This WindSwallow cable is specifically designed as a replacement charger for a huge range of Sony noise-cancelling headphones, including popular models like the WH-1000XM4, WH-1000, XM3, and many others in the WH, WF, and XB series. It's also great for Sony speakers, Walkmans, and recorders that use a USB-C power port. But the compatibility doesn't stop there. This cable is widely useful, working with Bose, Beats, JBL speakers, and even charging controllers for the PS4, PS5, and Xbox. It supports both charging and fast data sync, handling up to 5 amps of current and data transfer up to 480 megabits per second. The cable itself is 5 feet long, which is a nice upgrade from those notoriously short factory cables, and it features a tough TPE exterior for enhanced durability against bend-in, and wear. Just remember, this is strictly a USB Type-C charging cable, so it won't fit older micro USB or mini USB ports. Overall, this is a highly rated, durable, and versatile USB-C charging solution that connects a standard USB-A port to your USB-C devices. If you need a reliable 5-foot replacement for your Sony gear, or anything else with a USB-C port, this WindSwallow cable is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.